First Alert Weather.
We've seen quite a bit of shower activity across northeast Kansas over the past couple of days, and we have seen between around a half an inch to around 4 inches of rain, depending where you are in northeastern Kansas in the last 4 days. Taking a look at our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker, currently seeing rainfall still happening throughout northeastern Kansas, moving off to the east now. And from our Midland Exterior Skycam in West Topeka, seeing some hazy and cloudy skies out there as a beautiful view of the downtown skyline currently. Current temperatures right now across the area are in the 60s, approaching into the 70s. Current wind speeds between around 5 and around 25 miles per hour. As we move throughout our day, we will warm into the mid-80s with sporadic cloud cover. We will be partly to mostly cloudy, and we will see those winds start to pick up by around lunchtime from the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Today's forecast overall, I am forecasting it to be partly cloudy with temperatures in the 80s and into the 90s. I do want to give you the first alert that we will see a conditional severe risk as we go throughout the late evening hours into tonight. As we track that out, we'll see storms from this morning clear for this afternoon, but then we see a boundary set up and we could see some storms start to pop up along it. And some of those could be supercells, so we need to watch out for that, and I'll be monitoring that throughout the evening into the overnight hours between around 6 to around 2 a.m. And then we will clear out going throughout much of Monday morning. That severe risk entails the possibility of seeing damaging winds, large hail, and a low tornado risk, and as a result, we have been upgraded to a slight 2 out of 5 severe weather risk from the Storm Prediction Center for today. Tonight's forecast, we will be in the 60s and we will see partly cloudy skies once again. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies in the 80s and 90s, so almost copy and paste. We will also have a small, slight storm chance as we go throughout tomorrow. Very low, less confidence than today. Tuesday, we will be cooler in the 80s and we will see mostly cloudy skies. I do want to give you another first alert that we will see a warmer week ahead with low storm chances. What that means for you is that we'll be above average with our temperatures in the mid to upper 80s and even into the 90s, and our lows in the mid 60s above the average of the low 60s. And we will see rain chances between around 20 to 40% throughout the week, so isolated scattered chances. 8-day forecast overall, we will be in the 80s and 90s over the next 2 days. We have that conditional storm chance. Then we have some possibility for some isolated storms as we go throughout tomorrow. June begins as well, and then scattered storm chances as well throughout your week.